Congratulations, you did it. There you go. Thank you so much for taking this course. And I truly appreciate your time and effort in learning how to kickstart your freelancing journey. So, yeah, don't forget to download your certificate after completing this course. And of course, share this course with your friend who might benefit from freelancing too. And please do me a little favor. I'd love to hear your feedback and please leave a 5-star rating. And of course, a special gift awaits you. Check out the next section for your gift, for your free gift, because I want to celebrate your progress and support you even further. So now it's time to take action. You've learned the essential steps. Now go and apply them. So set up your freelancer accounts, start creating your portfolio, join freelancer communities and network, apply for your first job. So remember, knowledge isn't power. Knowledge, when applied, is power. So take the first step, start today. Your freelancing success begins now. Good luck and see you at the top.